Hi students, after a long time, once again I am before you because of COVID-19 which has drastically affected in your career. So because of that one, the teacher secondary examination of the English subject has been postponed. Now the government has decided to conduct the examination 18th of this month. Therefore, once again I want to make you remember regarding the English subject. Okay, my dear students. You know the very well the QP of the PUC second year. Anyhow, once again I am going to recall you, remembering you how to solve the QP of the PUC second year English. So as you know all, the first question that is Roman number 1. So answer the following in a word, phrase or a sentence each. So among the 14 lessons, only 12 lessons have been selected for the 1 mark question. So when you start the writing the answer paper, no, to begin with this objective type questions. So if you want to write in the sentence, you can write in sentence. Otherwise, just you can put the word also. So after completing this Roman number 1, you directly come to the what you call question number 4. That is unseen passage is given. So on the basis of unseen passage, 10 questions are asked. So you have to answer all the questions. So what you have to do, you have to read the passage thoroughly. Try to understand, try to comprehend the given passage. Then after that is, no, the question number 24 is there. After writing the 24, you don't write question number 1, 2, 3 like that because so 24 question it consists of in alphabetic order, that is A to Z. So when you write this passage, no, so this should be in sequence order. It should be in one place. You should not here write one A and there is another page C. You don't do that one. So that should be sequence. Read thoroughly and try to answer these questions because the passage is a very easy is given. Okay. Then come to the what you call. So in the one more thing I want to highlight it here in the given passage. At the end, I or they know may given opposite words or the what you call similar identical words, or you can say some making the what you call the noun adjective like that. Then after that one come to the question number 25. So I already told you in the class. So in our workbook, 15 poems have been given. Among 15 poems, one the selected poem will be taken. From that poem, just one stanza will be taken for the examination. It is very easy for you. So on the basis of the poems or the poetry, there are 3 questions and they are very easy. Try to answer this one. Then come to the Roman number 5, that is 26th question. So this is what you call on the basis of the passive voice. I told you in the class. So 2 or 3 lines will be given here. What you have to do, how to write the using the right form of the verb given in the brackets. So what we have to do, convert into passive voice. First, we have to take the what you call auxiliary verb. Then plus what you call PP. That is the third form of the verb. The first, we have to take the auxiliary verb here. So if the sentence contains I, he, she, it, or if it is plural, we have to take the what you call was. And if the sentence contains what you call we, you, they, or it may be plural also, and that time we have to take a were. Okay. So, keeping in this mind, then come to the what you call the PP. PP means third form of the verb. So that is maybe what you call a weak verb, or you can say a strong verb also. If the verb weak verb is given, for example, ask, answer, we have to ask, we have to ask the answer like that. If it is strong verb, now suppose it is catch is given, we have to not put the catched. So we should convert it to caught. If it is give, we have to give what you call the given. Okay, the 26th question number, what you have to do, write the question number 26, and for example here, the prince agreed to show mercy and show the matter dash dash arrange. What you have to do? The matter means it is singular. We have to take the was. Then arrange is given. We have to make it to arranged. In the examination, what you have to do? Just write what you call was arranged. The only problem was that there was no suitable reason for a person who, see here, for the person who means it is singular. Then you have to take what you call was here. Then in the bracket it is given sentence. Sentence means you have to add only D. This is what you call who was sentenced for life. However, there was a small lock of where people. People means this is more no. We have to put the what you call the auxiliary verb were. People were keep. So this is what you call a strong verb is there. So it is very careful putting this one PP. So there is what you call kept. The people were kept. What we have to do in the while writing in the answer paper? Just put the number 26. Was arranged. Was sentenced. Was kept. We have to write only. Don't waste the time here. Then the next question is very tough for the PC secondary students. Whether it is come from science stream or art stream, whatever it may be, that is what I call report the following conversation. It means the direct is given here, that we have to convert into the direct speech is given, we have to convert into indirect speech. So this is a big problem for the PC secondary students, but already you have learned in the SSLC. Okay, so for this one, I will discuss, I will make you convenience after the discussing the remaining what you call the questions. Then I will come to the last come because it is a big one, because it is based on the kinds of the sentence. Okay, I will come after completing the remaining questions. Then one more very important, the very easy for the PC second students here, what you call 28. Complete the dialogue which you learned in the PC first year. It's a very easy one for you. So one what you call conversation is given. So what is given in the bracket? No, we have to do right in the answer here. If it is given in the bracket greeting, no, greeting means you say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, like that. And if it is given asking for the information, so you may ask the information. So is there any shop, or one can you tell me where is the post office, like that one. Okay, and this way, and giving the information you have to say. Then the last one, leave taking is there. So that is leave taking means you have to express the gratitude. That's what I call thank you, thanks a lot, thanks you very much. This is whatever is given in the bracket, no, that much you have to follow. This is very easy for you. Then come to the question number 29. That is what you call appropriate expression given in the bracket. So here appropriate expression means that is in the phrasal form is there. Okay, so many times I told in the class, so this will come for the examination. So 3 options will be given. Among the 3 options, we have to choose. You have to choose only 2 here. So I will read out that one here. The number of motor vehicles in the Brazil is growing by dash dash almost as if cars were distributed free of charge to. So 3 words are given here. Appropriate expression here. All and sundry, leaps and bounds, fair game. So in the class I highlighted this one. Therefore, the number of motor vehicles in the Brazil is growing by how? Leaps and bounds. Here, leaps and bounds means extremely. The meaning of that one. Almost as if cars were distributed free of charge to all and sundry. All and sundry means to the each person. So we have to write in the examination, put the question number 29. Only just write leaps and bounds, all and sundry. Then next one, what do you call fill in the blanks with a right linker. I told you linker means conjunction, the joining words. So one paragraph is given, just we have to link the conjunction or the joining words. So there is I told you the conjunctions means and, but, in addition to this, as if, like that, no. So many conjunctions will be around. So if we go through the workbook and in the class I highlighted in the how they are arranging the examination. So this is also easy for you. Then question number Roman number the writing the question number is very important examination. The Roman number 6, that is 31, note making. So this is a very important one, and a very the dullest students can answer this one. The one passage will be given there, very small passage, and 8 boxes are given. I already told you in the examination what you have to do. There is no need to draw the boxes. Just we have to put the number from 1 to 8, then write the which is the answer is there. So this is easy for you. Then 32. So 32, I think I make you very perfect in the class. So all the students in my class will answer this question. That is what we call letter application. So already you have made the practice in your because in this COVID period, the last 3 months, I hope at least 1 or 2 in the month, no, you will become perfect. In the class, I have made you make perfect also. So once again, I make the recall you here. Write a letter of application in response to the following advertisement, which appeared in the Deccan Herald dated 7th March 2016. But this is given here. So that is wanted office assistant, qualification PUC with first class, and apply to. What I told you, because it is given is right access for the name and Y for the address. So to begin with the left side, first you write your address XX, then in the below what you call YY, then leave the one line. We have to write the date also. Date means only in the form of 18th June 2020 or 18th 6 2020, only this much you have to write. So after this, we have to write to whom you are addressing. That is apply to. There is no need to write the apply to. What is there? The managing director you have to start. Whatever is given in the question paper, you have to write the managing director whole up to the Bangalore. Okay. Then you have to write the subject. So subject means here application for the post of office assistants. Just remember, if it is given the teacher, application for the post of teacher. If it is given for the manager, application for the post of manager. Then reference, that is very important. Reference means that is given in the question, that is with reference to your advertisements in which paper appeared in the Deccan Herald. Whatever is given in the question paper, no, that newspaper you have to write. If it is Deccan Herald, you have to write Deccan Herald. If it is Prajavani, you have to write the Prajavani, and date also you have to put the same. Then what do you call? Respected sir, I told you already. Then you have to begin with reference to the subject. I am applying for the post and so and so post, and already I have passed the master degree because it is cost only the qualification of PUC. So I have passed the PUC in the first class like that. No, then writing all this one. So we have to put lastly. So if you give the chance for me, so I will do my duty very. I will discharge my duties very sincerely. Then writing of regards ending, no, what I call thanking you. Don't write the thanking you. I told you don't use the thank. ing should not add. Just your thank you. Then he works faithfully. You have to, all these things should be in only right side, not in the right side. On the left side, not I'm talking right side. Okay. So how to write he works faithfully? When the writing is very important, why should be capital? This is very important, and we should not use apostrophe s there. Should not put the mark the what you call comma only. Why should be capital instead of apostrophe? We should not use a apostrophe s also. Then give the biodata also. That is the resume. What do you call? Okay. In the I told you in the biodata what to write your all the regarding name, address, gender, all these things, and the qualifications we should write. And already you know how to write the application in the classroom. Then one more thing is here, what you call 33, that is a speech writing. This is very also important. So suppose the one subject is given, or suppose you are the secretary of the union of the college, and you have invited or you are told to introduce a chief guest. So on that time, here's what you call for the saying the initial stage, no, how to start. There is a greeting, 1 mark, and whatever you write the subject, that is carries 3 marks. And leave taking, if you say the thank you all, thank you very much, you will get the 1 marks. Totally 5 marks is there. How to start? Good morning, everyone. respected President Sir, Honorable Chief Guest, my beloved teachers, all my friends. Today I stand before you to introduce the swine to Chief Guest. If you write, you will get 1 marks. Then after this, you have to write the P words regarding the Chief Guest. If you write a very grammatical sentence, you will get the 3 marks, otherwise 2. And last, you have to say thank you very much or thank you all. Then you will get the 1 marks also. Then the last one more or is there. That is what you call bar graph is there, and phi is also given. You can, if you are not interested, you can go to this question also. Then 34. This is also very easy. So that is what do the underlined words in the following paragraph refer to? Because that is given here the pronouns. So that is I, he, she, it. Sometimes demonstrative pronouns are there. This, that, these, those. These are the pronouns. And sometimes relative pronoun is there, which, where, and also. If it is the person is the person is there, no, we have to take what you call the he, she, if it is a female, and if it is for the things, we have to take it also. Sometimes which is given, so which it means that is called things is there. This that is also for the things. So what is given here, we have to take into consideration and write for that one. And the 35 question number is what we call rearrange the jumbled segments to form the meaningful sentence. So little bit we want the correct sentence, the how the sentence were formed, the subject, verb regarding that one. Okay, so the brief introduction of the all the whatever I have learned in the class, that is a QP. So once again one more question is left here, that is 21, 27. So I will discuss in one more period, that is regarding direct and inner space. Thank you.